Gratitude makes sense of our past, bring peace for today, and create a vision for tomorrow. Very good evening, respected sisters, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. I, Arpan Gaikwad, have the privilege to conduct today's assembly with my friends from Senior KG Jasmine. A day without a prayer is a day without a blessing. And the life without a prayer is a life without a power. I like to call Rian and Revansh to say the prayer followed by prayer song. Our Father in heaven, holy be your name, your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread, forgive us our sins and forgive those who sins against us. So don't bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen. There shall be so blessings. This is the promise of love. There shall be seasons refreshing, sent from the Savior ever. Show us so blessing. Show us the blessing we need. Mercy from the but for the showers be pleased, there shall be showers of blessing. Send them upon us, O Lord. Grant to us now our refreshing garment now on our divine. Show us of blessing. Show us of blessing. The showers be pleased, but for the showers be pleased. In our pledge every day, we pledge one nation under God with liberty and justice for all. I call Anne to lead us to pledge. India is my country, all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I'm proud of it. Is rich and very religious. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. If you have a good thoughts, they will shine out of your face like sunbeams, and you will always look lovely. I call Swaroop to say thought of the day. Today's thought of the day is gratitude is the best attitude. I repeat, gratitude is the best attitude. It is a great thought, Swaroop. Thank you. If the only prayer you ever say in your entire life is thank you, it will be enough. Now, we like to present a small presentation. What are the small things we need to be thankful? As I wake up, I see light. I breathe air. I able to hear birds singing. It's a blessing from nature, and I always say thank you, nature. After freshen up myself, I sit on table and chat. My parents give me food, it is a blessing. I always say thank you to my parents and farmers for working so hard for me. Thank you. I see rain outside. Rivers deep, water, plants and trees splash. I go down and cuddle myself in it. And I say thank you to God for showing me so beautiful don't select my birthday. All I scored good in class tests. All I performed good in sports. I was gifted with chocolates. I feel gratitude for chocolates. To God, what amen and courage and giving me that hand to show my best in all. I gratitude Almighty to thank you. Yes, friends, you all are absolutely right. For each and everything, we need to be gratitude. To elaborate, I call my class teacher to say few words.
Very good evening, respected sisters, teachers, dear parents, and my most loving students. Today's our topic is gratitude. What do you mean by gratitude? Gratitude means thankful. It simply means feeling of being thankful and appreciative. Right? Let me give you an example through a story of an octopus, how bravely he has shown a gratitude towards the helper has been helped by him. Gratitude. Once upon a time, there was a shy and quiet octopus. He nearly always went about on his own because although he wanted to have lots of friends, he was too self-conscious, too shy. One day, the octopus was trying to catch a very slippery oyster. Before he knew it, he had tied himself into one massive knot and he couldn't move. Many fish swam past, ignoring him, but one very kind little fish offered to help to untie all those tangles from all those suckers. The octopus felt heartily relieved when he was finally set free. But he was so shy that he didn't dare to talk to the fish and make friends with him. He simply thanked the fish and quickly swam off. A couple of days later, the octopus was resting between some rocks when he noticed that everyone around was hurried swimming past. He looked into the distance and saw a huge fish coming over to feed in that area. The octopus quickly hid. Then, peeping an eye out from his hiding place, he saw that the huge fish was chasing the kind little fish who had untied him. That little fish really needed urgent help, but the big fish was so dangerous looking that no one dared to go near. The octopus, remembering how the little fish had helped him, felt that he had to do whatever he could come to his aid. Without hesitating, the octopus shot out from the rocks like a ray. He put himself right in the path of the giant fish, and before the fish could do anything about it, the octopus had shot out the biggest jet of ink of his life. He grabbed the little fish and swam off back to hide in the rocks. Everything happened so fast that the big fish had no time to react. The octopus' dark ink had given him a terrible allergy. So the big fish swam off, irritated all over. As soon as he was gone, all the fish who had been hiding came and congratulated the octopus for being so brave. Then the little fish told them all how he had helped the octopus a few days earlier. But he had never known anyone be so grateful that they would end up doing something so dangerous. Hearing this, the other fish discovered how nice the shy octopus was, and everyone around was keen to be the friend of such a brave and honorable octopus. So, what's the moral of the story? Moral of the story is gratitude is the best attitude. So, dear students, never ever forget gratitude is the best attitude. And always remember to be thankful for each and everything happening in your life. Enjoy and have a great day.
Thank you, Kamaldeep ma'am. We will always keep this in mind and practice daily. Here we come to a conclusion of today's assembly. I call Lisha to say vote of thanks. Thank you, Arpan. No matter what language you speak, a kind and smiling thank you always speaks to everyone's heart. I, Disha, with my friends and Kamaldeep ma'am from Senior KG Jasmine, would like to thank for everyone present here for our online assembly. Always remember, gratitude is the best attitude.